Good morning to all 8th class students. Today we will start next chapter of computer, PA2 syllabus, chapter 8, computer system and software. Okay. First of all, what is computer system? Computer is an electronic machine. Okay. Look at this. Computer is an electronic machine. Okay. That perform tasks according to a set of instructions of program. To perform the task, a computer follows three phases known as input, process and output. Suppose when you enter any name in MS Word or any software like Notepad, open Notepad and enter here your name like ABC, name of any student. Okay, name enter on screen and displayed on screen. Look at the screen, ABC displayed on screen. So computer is an electronic machine that performs tasks according to a set of instructions of program, means according to the user requirement, and provide output or required output according to the user requirement using standard input or output devices. Here standard output device is monitor and standard input device is keyboard and pointing device is mouse. Clear? So computer follows three phases known as input, process and output. Firstly, input given by user through keyboard and mouse and then accepted by computer system, and after processing it will display on screen. Okay, and after processing displayed on monitor screen. Clear the working of computer? Okay, next is hardware. All the components of a computer that you can touch and see are called hardware. Clear? Hardware are those components that you can touch and see. For example, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Clear? And printer, scanner, these all are hardware devices. Okay, etc. Next, categories of hardware devices. Okay, four categories of hardware devices: input devices, output devices, processing device and storage device. Input device that you can use to enter data, output device that is used to display output, and processing that is used to process the data, and storage device to store the data. Input device like keyboard, mouse, light pen, okay, etc. Output device, monitor and printer, plotter, etc. And processing device like CPU, okay, processors, and storage device like hard disk, floppy disk. Clear? And next is software. A computer software is a collection of computer programs that provide instructions to the computer to perform specific tasks. Software means set of instructions or group of instructions that are used to perform a specific task. And what are the categories of software? System software, utility software, application software. Okay, three categories of software. And now see what is software. For example, here on screen various shortcuts of softwares like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop. These all are softwares that are used to perform specific tasks. For example, MS Word is used to perform documentation, typing, and MS PowerPoint for presentation work, and Adobe Photoshop is used for image editing. Clear? Or these are the type of application software. These will come in application software. And what is system software? Like this computer work through operating system, and operating system is a master controller of the system. So language processor and the operating system is a example of system software that is used to perform internal task of the computer. OS, operating system, and language processor like compiler, assembler, and interpreter. These are the these will come in category of system software used to perform internal tasks. Application software that are used to perform specific tasks or particular tasks like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Excel, etc. And utility software for housekeeping work like backup, for taking backup, or for removing viruses like antivirus will come in utility software. Clear? Next topic is operating system. What is operating system? Like how your computer will work using operating system. Computer is useless without operating system. Okay, so operating system is a master controller of the computer system. Like Windows, here Windows 7. Okay, so Windows is a operating system that control all the functions of the computer. Okay, so operating system refers to a set of programs which are not only operate the computer system but also acts as an interface between the user and the computer, or you can say that user and application software or hardware. Okay, user can enter data using hardware, like for example using keyboard, and after then OS will take this data, and through OS user will interact with application software. Okay, so it will work as, and this will work as interface between user and hardware or computers. Next, functions of, so what are example of operating system? Window, any window, 9, 8, okay, window 10, 8, 7, XP, these are the examples of operating system. And next is functions of operating system. Means what are the functions? Operating system is used to recognizing input generated by the keyboard. Okay, and operating system is used to sending output to the display screen. So input output functions are performed by operating system or managed by operating system, keeping tracks of files and directories on the disk. So operating system is used to keep record in files, okay, of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices like the CD drive, DVD drive, floppy drive, and printer, etc. Controlling peripheral means input or output devices. So this operating system will use to control the CD drive, compact disc, and DVD, digital visual display drive, and floppy disk, and printer. Next, OS is used to controlling and coordinating the working of the different programs. OS also used to control all the programs, working of all the programs. Some commonly used OS for PCs means personal computers are MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, that is text-based operating system. Okay, means GUI interface not used is there, and MS Window, Microsoft Window like 7, 8. Okay, Unix is also a text-based operating system, Mac, and Linux. Clear? Next is language processor. A language processor is a special type of a computer software that can translate the source code into an object code. For example, here data entered by a user like name, any, ABC in MS Word. Okay, so this data will enter in computer in binary form, and because computer understand only binary language. So to performing these tasks, language processors are used. And after processing this data displayed on screen in a human